Today we have to start a new topic, solution. So what is meant by solution? Solute plus solvent gives solution. Solute plus solvent gives solution. The solute always present in a low amount, whereas solvent present in a large amount. Solute plus solvent gives solution. There are two types of solutions: saturated solution and supersaturated solution. If the maximum amount of solute is dissolved in a solvent, it forms a saturated solution. And if greater amount of solute than its solubility is dissolved in a solvent, it forms a unsaturated solution. There is a difference between maximum and greater, saturated solution and unsaturated solution. Now next point is what is meant by solubility. The amount of solute dissolved in a per unit volume of a solvent, it is known as a solubility of that compound or that component. It has unit mole per liter. Different compound had different solubility in a particular solvent. Next, some factors which affect the solubility. Factor number one, nature of solute and solvent. It has some simple rule. The polar solute dissolve in a polar solvent and non-polar dissolve in a non-polar solvent. In simple way, we can say that like dissolve like. Take one example. NaCl is dissolved in a water because NaCl is polar and water is also polar. Hence it dissolved in a water. Second, cholesterol dissolved in a benzene because both are non-polar in nature. In simple word, we can say that like dissolve like. Same substance dissolved in a same solvent because both are in same nature. Second factor, effect of temperature. The temperature of effect on a solubility, it has two possibility. In some substances such as KCl, when dissolved in a water, it absorbs heat from a surrounding, means it is an endothermic process. Or see some compounds such as calcium chloride or calcium oxide, when dissolved in a water, it releases heat. It is known as a exothermic process. In simple way, whether it is absorb heat or release heat. Third one, an important factors effect of pressure. The pressure effect on its solubility. This effect is best explained by Henry's law or Henry's scientist Henry. According to Henry's, the solubility of gas in a solvent is directly proportional to pressure of the gas over the solution. The solubility of the gas is directly proportional to pressure of the gas over the solution. This directly proportional is removed by adding some constant. It has known as the Henry's constant. In this law, the S is the solubility, K is the Henry's constant, and P is the pressure of the gas over solution. It has a fixed unit. Solubility has unit mole per liter. Pressure has unit bar. Hence, the unit for kH is mole liter inverse bar inverse. This is about the introductory part of the solution.